Hello, and welcome back to New Car Latest Update. Today, we're diving into the world of two-wheelers with an in-depth look at one of the most anticipated bikes of the year, the 2025 Kymco CVR5. Kymco has always been known for its cutting-edge technology and reliable performance, and the CVR5 is no exception. This new model is a perfect blend of style, innovation, and power, tailored for those who demand more from their daily ride. Let's explore what makes the Kymco CVR5 a game-changer in the world of modern motorcycling. Right off the bat, the 2025 Kymco CVR5 catches your eye with its bold and futuristic design. Kymco has clearly invested a lot of thought into making this bike stand out on the road. The CVR5 features a striking LED headlamp setup with sharp, angular lines that give it a menacing look, especially at night. The aerodynamic fairing not only adds to its aggressive appearance but also enhances performance by reducing drag at higher speeds. The overall design is a harmonious blend of form and function, ensuring that the bike not only looks good but performs exceptionally well. As we move closer, let's talk about the technology packed into the 2025 Kymco CVR5. The bike comes equipped with a state-of-the-art full-color TFT display, which serves as the command center for the rider. This advanced digital console provides all the necessary information at a glance, including speed, RPM, fuel level, and trip details. But that's not all. The display also offers smartphone connectivity, GPS navigation, and even ride mode customization, allowing riders to tailor their experience according to their preferences. Now, let's dive into the heart of the Kymco CVR5, the engine. Under the sleek bodywork lies a powerful 499cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that is engineered for both performance and efficiency. This engine is capable of producing an impressive 47 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 45 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM, making it one of the most powerful in its category. Kymco has also incorporated their latest fuel injection technology, which ensures smooth power delivery and optimal fuel efficiency, even in varying riding conditions. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Kymco CVR5 truly shines. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or hitting the open road, this bike offers a thrilling and responsive ride. The engine's power is delivered smoothly across the rev range, providing ample torque for quick overtakes and spirited riding. The bike's lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension setup ensure excellent handling and stability, allowing riders to tackle sharp corners and rough roads with confidence. Speaking of handling, let's talk about the suspension and braking systems on the CVR5. The bike is equipped with premium USD upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock, both of which are fully adjustable to cater to different riding styles and conditions. This setup provides a perfect balance between comfort and control, ensuring a smooth ride over uneven surfaces while maintaining the agility needed for aggressive riding. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring dual 300mm front disc brakes and a 240mm rear disc, both paired with a dual-channel ABS system for maximum stopping power and safety. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Kymco CVR5 is its exhaust system. Kymco has fine-tuned the exhaust to deliver a deep, throaty note that perfectly complements the bike's sporty character. The exhaust not only sounds great but also enhances performance by optimizing back pressure and improving airflow. Whether you're cruising at low speeds or pushing the bike to its limits, the exhaust note is sure to bring a smile to your face. Comfort and ergonomics have also been a key focus in the design of the CVR5. The bike features a well-padded, split-seat setup that provides ample support for both the rider and pillion. The seat height is set at a comfortable 800mm, making it accessible for riders of varying heights. The slightly rear-set footpegs and wide handlebars offer a sporty yet comfortable riding position, perfect for long rides and spirited weekend getaways alike. The CVR5 rolls on stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, which are wrapped in grippy tubeless tires. These tires are designed to offer excellent traction and stability across a variety of road conditions, from smooth tarmac to wet and slippery surfaces. The combination of these high-quality tires and the bike's well-engineered chassis ensures that the CVR5 remains planted and stable, giving you the confidence to push your limits. Kymco understands that style is just as important as performance, which is why the 2025 CVR5 is available in a range of eye-catching colors. Whether you prefer the classic matte black, the vibrant racing red, or the sleek metallic silver, there's a color option to suit every taste. Each variant comes with unique graphics and accents that enhance the bike's overall aesthetic, ensuring that you'll turn heads wherever you go. In summary, the 2025 Kymco CVR5 is a masterclass in modern motorcycling. It combines cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and striking design into one incredibly versatile package. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for your next thrill or a newcomer seeking a reliable and stylish ride, the CVR5 has something to offer. It's not just a bike, it's a statement. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Kymco CVR5. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in the world of two-wheelers and beyond, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to New Car Latest Update. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.